Oh, I missed you, Crochet. I missed you. Yo, what's up, guys? I know it has been forever and ever and ever, but I'm back with another crochet video. If you like crochet videos, just before you even continue now, just click that like button so I don't do this nonsense hiatus that I did again. No, for real, you guys, I'm so excited. I'm like, who is this person? Where have you been? And why did you disappear? I mean, I'm just like, first of all, it took me like an hour to do this. I mean, if you're not subscribed, please make sure you just click that subscribe button down below. It'll be red for you. Just click it and make sure you click the notification bell so you're notified of my new videos.
Right now!
Thanks, sis. So I actually have a special offer for you guys. It is going to be a giveaway, so please look for this photo on my Instagram. There are some instructions underneath, so make sure you check that out and enter. You'll have a chance to win. Look in the description box as well for all the details so that you do not miss this, because I don't want you to miss this. Make sure you stay tuned to the end, and I will be telling you about an awesome opportunity for you to own your own beauty supply store. So I am just gonna be showing you how I did this hair. Let me tell you all the details about this hair. First of all, this hair is from Urban Beauty. Okay, I used 5 packs, just 5 packs, and it's this full. Like, you guys, let me even show you. Okay, I just removed my earring as I did that. But it is so full. It's about like 20, or it's 22 or 20 in each pack. I used 5 packs. Color 1. Yes, auntie. If you already know the crochet method, this will be very easy for you. Here I am. This is my peanut head. I have 12 braids in front of my head, and they're crisscrossed in some. This is to help me be able to do different parts, because I'm going to be doing a middle part and a side part on both sides based on where my parts are. So then this is the back. I just basically tied it all together, you know, very simple, no big deal. So I just grab one of the braids and I grab my crochet hook. You put the crochet hook under your braid, and you grab your crochet strand, you put that onto the crochet hook, close it. Don't forget, that is the most important part, close it, otherwise you'll just be crying. Close it, pull it through, and then, you know, pull it all together. That's it. Continuously throughout the entire head, and you end up with, you know, something sensible. So I'm just gonna, you know, cue the time lapse. This is 3 packs, okay? 3 packs. I'm basically done, because I feel like I'm only going to end up using 5 packs, and that's amazing. It looks so good. I'm really happy I got the color 1, because I feel like it's just contrasting very well. Eh? But yeah, so I'm gonna just continue on. No, you guys, 30 inches is something. Like, do you see this? It's longo. All right, let us continue. And that is it, guys. I'm done. That's my crochet tutorial. So let me show you in the middle part. Let me show you. Gang. This is it. This is a side part on this side. Basically, you know, side part. And then I can do the other side as well. Yeah, you can also do the individual method with these braids. They're pretty easy to do, and like I said, it's 5 packs and it's so many strands, but it does not feel heavy at all. That's one thing I like about crochet. You guys know I'm an advocate. If you ask me any questions, I'll answer you, okay? So there's actually this great promotion that I want to talk to you about. So you can actually own your own beauty supply store. Anybody, all of you, right now, for just $50. If you click the link in my description box down below, you will be able to see all the information. If you use my coupon code Kiitan to sign up for your very own beauty supply store, then you'll receive a beauty box as well with really cool goodies and stuff. So definitely check out the description box, because I know you guys are probably like, my own beauty supply store, how does that work? You can earn so much money on your own. You don't have to handle the shipping, you don't have to handle customer service. All you do is just have your own site, and everything is going to be working behind the scenes for you. So yeah, click the link below. You can buy this hair if you want to buy it, or you can also start your own store and then get the hair that way as well. Come on, I mean, trust me, why not? Why was that inside your pocket?
I don't believe everyone did this.